Hi, I'm Daisy from Crappy to Happy, and today I want to show you how to make a DIY silhouette. All you're going to need is a camera or a phone, a printer, scissors, paper that you want to cut the silhouette out of and mat it on, and a frame. I got my frame at IKEA for $4.99 and it's worked great. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is try to take a photo of your child. Try to coax them to go and look in a certain direction so you can get that profile shot. This might take a couple tries. After you get the photo the way you want to print it out. Make sure to print it the size that will fit into your frame. It needs to be smaller than the actual frame size. Next, you're going to want to put it carefully over your paper that you want to use. I chose a thick black glitter cardstock. Now this paper was really thick, so I had to be particularly careful when I got to the nose and the lips because it was really hard to cut accurately. But it is pretty forgiving. If you mess up, you can always do it again. No big deal. And then afterwards, do it. Repeat the process for however many kids you have, in my case 4, and then you're done. You're ready to put it onto the paper that you want to mat it on, and then put it into your frame. And that's it. An easy DIY silhouette that you can do at home for less than $5. I hope you guys enjoyed this project, and let me know in the comments if it worked for you. Thanks. Bye.